Hey, what's up? We're on our way to Jason and Aubrey's house to put on our new lift kit for the Gladiator.
Yes, our bestest friend, Jason and Aubrey. We got a rock crawler 3-inch suspension for the Rubicon Gladiator. It has Radflow 2.25 shocks, and I am super excited, as you can tell by my voice.
Yeah, you look really excited. The pickles and pineapples garage.
Yeah, just the pickle usually.
Just the pickle?
Yeah,
The pineapple was working out here.
the pineapple works.
You got a rock crawler 3-inch track arm for the back, track arm mount. You have bump stops for the rear and for the front. And then you have your rear upper control arms, front springs, rear springs for 3-inch, and then Radflow 2.25 shocks.
Yeah.
Should be fun.
You guys only had 3 arrests this week.
Got this thing lifted up. Going to do the front first?
Do the front first. 'Cause I'll get the shocks and springs on the front. Okay, comes with the Fox shocks. Actually has a 1-inch shock bracket on it because I did a 1-inch spacer, which those are all coming out. So. Very interesting. There you go.
You did it, Aaron. You really did. I need to keep cutting on my junk.
Yep. There we go.
I'm not gonna help it.
Yeah. What you talk about my orange Jeep that way.
Baby, that's where you go.
All right. 4 5/8. It's like perfect. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I'd go to a car show.
You get bored?
That's stand out.
Oh, yeah.
One of the ladies want to grab that, please.
Which one would you like? Ah! It wasn't specific.
Bueno. Thank you. Is that your what?
Hey, your poor neighbor. Okay, check that out.
Man, why?
We could probably. Is that holding it or? I think
Yeah, it's holding it. Unless there's a plug, which I don't see it anywhere. It's way over here. I guess we can just do it. I was just gonna pull the sensor out. We're supposed to be 8 feet apart.
6.
There you go. There you go. Front, rear.
Nope. Ready?
Yep.
You might need it anyway.
These are your old ones. So we got this, 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 and that.
You still have to do that one part.
Give me the wrench.
That's the threshold bracket. Brings it up.
See how easy I did that, Aaron?
Yeah, it's amazeballs.
I used my upper body strength.
Totally did.
You happy?
Yeah. This is my drink.
Yes.
This is my drink. Yep.
I don't know.
I like this magical teamwork.
This is the most teamwork we've done since we've been doing this. Keep going backwards till you're outside the shop.
Yeah.
Hey! Hi everyone! It's Jason and Aaron. And today we're putting the lift on this 2000 and whatever it is Gladiator half truck thing.
You already did it.
Already did what?
There's already a lift on it.
Yeah, this is the post install. We're going
Okay.
over our work. It sucked. I would probably not do it again for free.
You didn't even do half of it.
I did some and it was for free. A lot for free. I drilled the bolts. That needed to
Paid
be
you in
drilled.
one burrito.
Huh? Oh yeah, you did.
2 burritos.
So $7.